Maki-cellphone ni sa.
Oo.
Left turn. We're here in Esquina Banawa. Hi and welcome to my new vlog. Slow down, school zone. South Hills International School. No, no, This is Paseo Arcenas going to Casa Rosita.
Natugnan ni mo des.
Oo.
Makuan pa. Agunahon na lang.
No.
Mm.
We're here in Ramon Duterte Street. This is Esquina Banawa.
Wala mga papabert ni mong yawi sa TNC des.
Wala ko kapag ngayo gabi ay sir.
Kaya ako nilang tanang ipa, limpihon sa barimar na to.
Nay.
Kasi matok to sport.
The king has returned. This is Kalipay. This is going to Good Shepherd. How to use a handsaw like a pro. You're not tilting the device correctly. Where he? This is in Sitaling. Esquina Banawa. First Choice Medical. This is going to Forest Hills. We are hiring.
Right? Just like church ha, dili mag-noisy sa class, okay? Ano?
Ako Bisaya Party List.
Uy, answer be. Dili mag-noisy ha, Manuel.
Don't be noisy inside the class.
Yes, listen lang ka. Okay.
This is Sundance Court compound.
Sa kontra mo na sa mga kaon, dito, tikaw.
Iyan gusto.
This is Sundance Residences. Five-minute going to Cebu Business Park. Little Red Barn. And this is Petron Gas Station. We're here at Esquina Banawa.
Diskarga des ha.
Oo.
Unong.
No.
Gikan Happy Valley ha.
Asam ka sa kay
This is Cebu City, Guadalupe. We're here at Enveles Street. Hands to yourself. And until gets here. This is going to S Hotel and Residences in Vélez. It's because of the pandemic, we can't go anywhere. You're laughing inside the classroom. We're here at Escario Oriental. Be patient always. We're going to Cebu Business Park. Going to CFI Escario. We're here at Escario Street. Preparing the Krabby Patty. Are you ready? You're already a tall guy. This is Escario Oriental.
Diyos mo, Oriental.
No. Keep quiet.
Oriental man.
No.
Maabot buot.
Scarlet Street, Oriental.
The same at kuan.
No, ano yung muli siya mong
No.
you're not accurate.
No.
Oriental lang eh. Negros.
Negros, Oriental,
No.
Hospital.
Oh.
No. This is?
Escario Street.
No. This is Escario Central Hotel.
The other one is...
No. 1 liter of water. This is the Strait of Escario. If there's any of the routes in the Philippines, such as Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, Escario. If ever there's a tomorrow when we're not together, there's something you must remember. Stay. Mindanao. How many balloons would it take to lift you off the ground? Kampothaw Barangay Hall. This is North Escario Branch. Straight down. Dream of bed bugs tonight. You know the rules and regulations.
Oh, inside classroom, hindi naman noisy na.
Don't be noisy inside the classroom. This is an Escario Occidental. This is an Escario Occidental. Hold on. A handsaw is used for the carpenter.
Serapin food system.
This is Escario Occidental.
Really?
My hands are busy.
Do not be noisy, ha?
No, no. No. Casadilla. Just like wedding, don't be noisy. It's still an Escario Occidental. Going to Quest Hotel and Conference Center and Mandarin Plaza Hotel.
Hi to Chef Edwin and to Tita Mary. Okay? Asawa niya. Tita Mary, then the husband is Chef Edwin. Huh? Chef Edwin is the teacher.
Chef Edwin is the teacher.
Pwede rin.
This is Cebu Business Park.
Iyan naman pong area.
Ah, area.
No. In 18 kilometers of Cebu Business Park,
Dili mag-noisy ha. Papulion na hindi ka noisy ka. Well, nang ka, oh.
Taxi.
no. This is Mindanao Avenue at Cebu Business Park. Hump ahead at Cebu Business Park. We're here at Cardinal Rosales Avenue. It's still Cebu Business Park. Going to Calix Residences. Calix Ayala. We're having anxiety last time.
You're not sad now, Josh.
No, no, no. Don't keep quiet. This is Cardinal Rosales Avenue. We're here at F. Cabahog Street. We're here at Cebu City, Mabolo. This is Tres Barces. This is Tres Barces Street.
Correct na, trespasses. Anak na sa M4 niya. Wala na.
Wakang mo.
Wala.
You like Mabolo Garden Flats?
Garden flats. Okay.